Good evening, Vanners. Here's a quick update on the van project. I managed to drill out all the spot welds in that inner wheelhouse brace, and I got the outer rocker off, and like I said, the inner rocker looks really good. All that rust on the outside was superficial. There was no structure to that rust. So all I have to do here is take an angle grinder and clean up all those little spot welds that were left behind and treat this very lower section. I'm going to end up putting a rocker on this thing as well, but just for the purposes of this video, I wanted to show the progress. So that's where we're at here. I'm going to have to remanufacture this missing piece here. They don't make that part, so not unlike this piece here, we're going to manufacture it out of a part of the other patch panel that we purchased. But I managed to remove this without breaking it up at all. So this is what this piece looks like, and yeah, it's pretty scabby, and we'll be remaking this in sections, obviously, weld it all together and get it tack welded into place and final prepped. But we need to do that before we can move on. But I thought I'd get this lower rocker done and get all those spot welds hammered off, because it's pretty noisy. I imagine it echoes through the alleyways, but that's okay. It was 2 o'clock in the morning when I quit yesterday, and you just keep moving forward. I don't care if someone has a problem, come bang on my door and we'll have a chat. If you own, you own. You rent, you rent. There's a lot of rent. So I'm on commercial property here. I'm sorry I have that attitude. It's just the way it is. Yeah, so this will go quickly. This went really quick. This will go rather quickly as well. I'll get it all buzzed down, I'll prep it up, and I'll perhaps do a video in the interim. But yeah, this is where we're at. I'm going to end up having to open the door up and seal off with tape, or tape a bag or something like that in there to keep the dust from going in there. I'm going to sandblast the inner rocker, and it makes one hell of a mess. I got it all cleaned up, as you can see. Kind of got my work area cleaned up before we do videos and work around things. So that's where I'm at. Thank you for watching, and we'll continue on here. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.